Dear learners, how are you? I think all of you are well and be safe at this moment by the grace of Almighty Allah. Anyway, today we discuss about changing sentence from affirmative to negative sentence. Now, take your notebook and pen and look at the structure. First, only Allah can help us. This is the actually affirmative sentence. Now, we have to change it into negative sentence. Look and remember. If only signify a person, instead of only we should use non-verb, and rest of the part will not be changed here. So, without or instead of only you write down here non-verb, because only here indicate Allah. Allah means actually a person. We know if only signify person, then we should use non-verb. So you write down here non-verb, and rest of the part will not be changed, and this is turning to negative sentence. I take only books. Here only signify books. Books means actually object. If only signify object, then you should use nothing but instead of only. We know if only signify person, we should use non-verb. If only signify object, we should use nothing but. So you write down here, I take nothing but books. Now is it actually going to negative sentence, because only signify here object. We know if only signify object, we should use nothing but instead of only. Next example. He is only 50. Here only signify actually 50. 50 means actually age. If only signify age or number, then you should use not more than or not less than for changing negative sentence. So you write down here, he is not more than 50. Instead of only, you write down here not more than. Now it turns into negative sentence. Next example. They must do the work. This is the affirmative sentence. If you find must, then you should use can verb. Then it will be changed into negative sentence. So you write down here, the can verb do the work, and this turns into negative sentence. We should remember that if you find must at the time of affirmative sentence for doing negative sentence, we should use can verb for changing into negative. So you write down here can verb instead of must, and it goes to negative sentence. So dear students, all of you write down this. Okay dear students, I think all of you write down, and now we discuss another rule. Now look at the whiteboard. Always, if you find always at the time of changing negative sentence, you should use this structure. If there is always, you should write down never and opposite adjective. Now look at the whiteboard and practice the example. Here is written, he is always punctual. According to the structure, if there is always, you should write down never. So you write down here never instead of always. And according to the structure, we should use opposite adjective. Here actually adjective is punctual. Punctual, that means the task is doing to in time. So what is the opposite word of punctual? Late. So you write down here late, and it turns into negative sentence. Next example. They are always happy. Without always or instead of always, you write down here never according to the structure. Happy. Here actually happy is adjective. What is the opposite word of happy? Unhappy. So you write down here the opposite word unhappy, and it turns into negative sentence. Next example. She was always active. Instead of always, you write down here never, and here adjective is actually active. What is the opposite adjective of active? Inactive. So you write down here inactive. She was never inactive. It turns into negative sentence. So dear students, all of you write down these and practice more and more example according these rules and regulations. And thank you very much for tuning.